Hi, welcome back to Carfagna's. My name's Amanda Rogers, head bartender, and today I'm going to be walking you through our Venetian Spritz, one of our cocktails on our signature menu. This is a play on an Aperol Spritz. We've jazzed it up a bit, so let's go ahead and get started. We're going to ice our glass first, very carefully. These are very fragile glasses, so dump your ice in very carefully there. The beauty about this drink is all the measurements are equal parts. We're going to start with locally made Watershed Guild Gin. This is a chamomile gin. It gives some wonderful floral notes on there. So 1 ounce of that. And then we'll go ahead and go in with 1 ounce of Aperol as well. This is a nice drink to make because it's built right in the glass, so you don't have to worry about shaking it or stirring it, anything like that. Next, orange juice complements well with the Guild on the floral notes. It has great color going already. And then we go ahead and top that off with Prosecco. And leave a little space at the top there because we're also going to pour in some soda water. And we'll go ahead and garnish, get some straws in there, and of course, dehydrated orange slice. And there you have it. That's Carfagna's Venetian Spritz.